Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to recover an unsaved PDF in Adobe Acrobat. So if Adobe Acrobat closes unexpectedly on your computer, crashes before you save a PDF, you may be able to recover your work using Adobe or Acrobat's recovery features or temporary files. So actually guys, first you all need to launch the Adobe Acrobat. So if Adobe Acrobat detects an unexpected shutdown, you all need to look for a document recovery prompt. Right, and then just open the recovered version of your PDF and select File. Then go with Save As button and save the recovered PDF to a new location. Also guys, you will need to check the recent files. So if the recovery prompt does not appear, you will need to open the Adobe Acrobat here and then just go to the files right here, to your document, to the PDF spaces, curated PDF spaces, scans shared by you, shared by others, and there you will need to select recent or to check just right there. All right, and here you fall to this one, so this one where you can change the thumbnail view. So actually guys, you will need to look for them and just open the document if it appears or if it appears in the list, and save it immediately with a new name. Also guys, you can go just right here and check to the file explorer and just check for the files right there. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.